Svgbob is a powerful command line tool that turns your plain text diagrams into beautiful SVG graphics. Svgbob can be used for documentation, presentations, and more. Start by opening a PowerShell and use Python Package Manager to install Svgbob binaries as shown here. In PowerShell, navigate to the user's profile and add an alias for the Svgbob binary. Open a new buffer in Vim and generate a diagram. Then save the buffer. Finally, generate an SVG graphic of the current buffer with Svgbob. If you enjoyed my YouTube videos or have suggestions, please let me know in the feedback form in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the description for more information.